Unlock the power of seamless and secure crypto management with Safepal, your Al-Anon digital asset guardian. Let's dive into maximizing your Safepal experience first. Downloading and installing the app, head to your device's app store. Search for Safepal and hit install. Once open, you'll be greeted with a choice: create a new wallet or import an existing one. For this guide, we'll focus on creation. Tap Create New Wallet. You'll have options for a software wallet or a hardware wallet. We'll proceed with the software wallet, which is perfect for beginners and readily available on your phone. This is the most crucial step. Your recovery phrase, also known as your seed phrase, Safepal will generate a 12 or 24-word phrase. Write this down very carefully on paper and store it in multiple secure offline locations. Never share this phrase or store it digitally. This phrase is your only backup. Lose it, and you lose access to your funds. After backing up your phrase, you'll need to confirm it within the app by selecting the words in the correct order. This ensures you've recorded it accurately. Once your wallet is set up, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you can see your cryptocurrency balances and a list of supported tokens to receive crypto. Tap the Receive button, select your desired coin, and share your unique wallet address with the sender. Sending crypto is just as straightforward. Tap Send, enter the recipient's wallet address, the amount you wish to send, and confirm the transaction fee. Review everything carefully before confirming with your chosen security method, like a PIN or biometric scan. Beyond basic transactions, Safepal offers robust security. Explore the security section to set up your PIN, enable biometric authentication, and manage your trusted devices. You can also discover DApps directly within the app for seamless interaction with decentralized applications. With Safepal, you're in full control of your digital assets. Start exploring, stay secure, and happy crypto trading.